In the grasslands of Africa, the battle for survival is still going on every day, with the brutal predators always stalking and killing the weak. There's no guarantee of their survival, but follow the notorious predators, the wild dogs and the waterbuck, to better visualize this harsh survival in the wild. As the wild dog attacks a waterbuck. This small body with mixed-colored fur looks extremely impressive. Many people mistakenly believe that the wild dog is a harmless animal. However, behind that attractive beauty is an intelligent mind with a ruthless heart. As the wild dogs have a very unique herd lifestyle with a high social organization, and it is full of discipline. Each individual in the herd has a good sense of discipline and solidarity, so the wild dogs are known as the masters of the art of hunting in the grasslands, with a hunting success rate of up to 80%, higher than even the lions. As they even rob the prey of the species at the top of the food chain, such as lions, hyenas, and crocodiles. Meanwhile, the waterbuck is a large antelope, widely disturbed in sub-Saharan Africa and highly dependent on water. It is often found near the rivers, lakes, and other bodies of water. The waterbucks have a large body with a shaggy grey-brown fur and long spiral horns in males, as they are known to be quite aggressive and wild, defending themselves against other predators such as lions, hyenas, and wild dogs. In addition to waterbucks that have extreme ability to run very fast, and when attacked, they will run at speeds of up to 80 miles per hour to escape the predators. As the waterbuck can also run into the swamps or rivers to hide from the enemies, and then when needed, they can also swim to avoid capture. As the waterbuck also has the ability to distract the enemy by running around and returning to the original position quickly, causing the enemy to become disoriented and unable to pursue. As they have quite a few enemies in the wild and are often stalked by vicious predators. Daredevil, the wild dog, will certainly never ignore the species of prey. As the waterbuck is surrounded and are chased by a pack of wild dogs, the dogs had split into different roses to kill the prey. And a waterbuck had risked his life to dive into the water to entrench himself to escape the brutal predator. But it was in higher danger when attacked by a whole group of hippos. As on the shore, he was packed by hungry dogs that were in the water. A ferocious hippo, and the waterbuck had decided to rush into the wild dogs to break the encirclement and run ashore. good eyesight and endurance, wild dogs can chase their prey continuously with a radius of 8 kilometers. At the fastest possible speed of up to 66 miles per hour. Chasing a Waterbuck isn't easy. Although the Waterbuck had tried to break through the siege of the wild dogs earlier to escape, they had persisted in the following, and they quickly had surrounded the Waterbuck to take down this lucrative prey. And despite being surrounded, the Waterbuck still managed to fight off the bites of the wild dog. But with the advantage of numbers, the wild dogs then took in the initiative to rush in, bite the opponent's legs, making the prey lose all resistance. As the quick coordination between the members helped them to defeat their prey quickly. With just a few basic steps, the wild dogs have successfully taken over the Waterbuck's life, as they rush to fear the prey in happiness. Suddenly, some wild dogs had discovered that the Waterbuck was pregnant, as they had swarmed in and pulled the Waterbuck fetus out. The horrifying scene where the Waterbucks ferociously bit and devoured their prey, and they did not even spare the Waterbuck cub in the womb that had made the prey vampiric. As the scene of the poor Waterbuck being killed by wild dogs have ended our video today. How do you feel? Please leave a comment below to let us know. Don't forget to click the like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos every day. Goodbye. See you in the next video.